What's up, guys? It's Chris here with the Maverick Investment Group, going over our Tesla split pay today. Quote of the day: life's all about perseverance. Everybody goes through something. That is by the great Polo G. Basically, hold on to those goals close and really ride through even when you're at your toughest times. So let's kind of get into the play, why we took the play. A stock split is when a company divide increases, meaning that the share price is at a price that's not really obtainable for novice investors, new investors. Tesla was at about $2,300 in share price, and they split those shares down to about $452. Why did they split? Because $452 is way more accessible to the novice investor, like I was saying previously. You guys probably are wondering, but what has happened to your money? It's basically like having a pie, and if that pie had 4 slices before, now that same size pie has 8 slices. You just have 8 slices of the same size pie. So the shares have the exact same value. They're just less in price. You have more shares though. All right, so let's kind of get right into the play. We set our price action for puts around 442.41. 442.41. And then we set our price action for calls at 470.50. But actually, if you see previously, if all of you watched the previous videos, we have our yellow line, which is our first entry point. We entered about 460, and we entered the September 450 calls. We grabbed 3 of them. And then we came and just kind of waited. We're in. So we're looking at our 5-minute and our 1-minute at this point. We established our trend lines. We established our new support. If it breaks out of these trend lines here and comes down, it's going to go here and it's going to bounce back up. That is our new support. If you guys do not know what support is, I simply ask you to pause this video and go back to our previous videos where we broke down this terminology. So with our entry points, we would trim. We will kind of want to enter here at 470. That was our price action, meaning when the price hits this is the action. It's going to go up. But I was a little risky, so I saw it breaking out of my trend line that I created, and I went in. So I entered. Like I said, grabbed the 450 September for the calls around 460. It's kind of uptrending. So we trimmed here 2 contracts. We trimmed for $652 profit on 2 contracts. So that's $652 total profit. And we still have 1 contract left running because remember, we grabbed 3. And then I kind of went to the gym. Time expired. About 30 minutes later, we got out at our final position because our profit target was hit. How did we figure our profit target? Based off the range that it was going in, just like $10 range. So we wanted pretty much a $10 to $20 price move. So the price moved to about $10 to $20. Actually moved 27, but we got out before then. We don't have fear of missing out over here. So we exited at $486.85 for $1,282 in profit. So that's a total of $2,000 profit. And why did we stay in, you ask? Because it fit our criteria. It's still in our range. You see, our price action was met. It hasn't came down back past our price action. Hasn't hit our stop loss, which would be our price action at this point. You could arguably say when we should have entered that price action, hit a little resistance and it came down, but we were already in the trade and it still fit our criteria. This criteria here, we were not down 30%. It hadn't hit stop loss and it was still in range. Well, it had hit the stop loss, but that's 2 out of 3 right there. And that's good odds. So we stayed in the trade. Yes, the trade went up way higher. And yes, Tesla did eventually hit its demise. But all trends do fall.